Welcome to this CFEngine demo, where we will show you how easy it is to integrate CFEngine with PagerDuty, the popular SaaS-based incident management system for IT monitoring. In this demo, we will first create a CFEngine policy to detect any change in a specific file. Next, we will create an alert in CFEngine Mission Portal, so we will be notified whenever CFEngine detects a change in the specified file. This notification will then be forwarded to PagerDuty, where it can be managed according to whatever policies you have defined within PagerDuty. To trigger an alert, we will log into a random node in our environment and make a manual change to the file we monitor. Now, let's go to the terminal to look at our file integrity policy. The first part of the policy says we want to deal with the promise type called files. The Any section means that this policy shall apply to all CFEngine managed nodes. Next, we define that the file in question shall be test integrity and that it is stored in the temp directory. PCI, DSS, and SOCs are valuable stakeholder information we can use for reporting purposes together with the handle section. The body of this policy defines how we want CFEngine to deal with detected changes. We tell it to create and compare a hash based on MD5. We want it to update these hashes every time there is a change detected. This means the latest file always becomes the golden standard to compare against. Finally, we tell CFEngine to report all changes of the file, like file permissions, and also to report on the actual differences between the various versions of the file. Now that we have created our policy, let's go ahead and create an alert in the Mission Portal so we will be notified whenever a file change detection occurs. To create an alert, we go to the dashboard, click on Add. We'll call this alert File Integrity Alert and set the severity to High. Now we need to create a new condition. The type will be a policy as we want to report on changes related to the policy we just made. To make sure we report on the relevant policy, we need to use the bundle name as an identifier. In our case, the name of the bundle is file_integrity. As you can see, CFEngine automatically verifies that this bundle name is valid. Next, we state that we want an alert to be created whenever this bundle is repaired. This means that when there is a change in the file, an alert will be triggered. In case of an alert, we want to be notified via email, which is how we are going to integrate with PagerDuty. Let's go to PagerDuty. Here you can see that there are currently 0 triggered or acknowledged alerts. We click on Services to set up a new service. As you can see, we have already defined 2 services. You can easily set up a new service. In this demo, we will use the CFEngine File Integrity Issue service. Let's copy the associated email address and use this one. Back in CFEngine, we use this email as the address to be notified whenever there is an alert related to our policy. Since this is a new alert, we need to create a widget for the alert. Let's call it PagerDuty. One widget can contain unlimited amounts of alerts. Let's go ahead and make a change to the file on one of our nodes to provoke an alert and verify that the integration actually works. I am going to select the first server on our list, use its IP address to log into the nodes, and make a change. Copying the IP address, logging into the node, opening the test file in the editor, adding Hello World to the file, done. Now we have made a change to the file on one of our nodes, and we can expect CFEngine to pick this up shortly and alert PagerDuty about the event. Going to the PagerDuty website, we can see there is now 1 alert triggered. As expected, this is the alert produced by our file change policy. If we click on the details, we can find more information about the alert. By clicking on the link, we will be taken back to CFEngine Mission Portal, and we can start digging into the details. I hope you enjoyed this demo. As you've seen, it is very easy to create alerts about any CFEngine related event based on your policies. These alerts can be forwarded to PagerDuty or other ticketing or monitoring tools of your choice. Thanks for watching, and remember that you can try our CFEngine Enterprise for free on up to 25 nodes. Try it out today!